Friday, April 28th, 4:04. It was clear this morning from all those super winds last night. And today, they have been chemtrailing all day. Got two right there about to crisscross. Yeah, you see them. Everything you see up in the sky today was not there 3 to 4 hours ago. All these so-called clouds, not clouds, all chemtrails coming from the back of these military planes. See, there goes a plane right there. You see it leaving a trail? I don't. Nope, don't see it leaving a trail. Sure don't. So that means these fuckers are not normal planes. Chemtrails, not contrails, not condensation. Chemtrails. Oh look, there's another one. Let me join the rest of you fellas. Woohoo! You notice how they all want to just block the sun? What's so important about the sun? Huh.